speak English with me. It's not difficult to speak English. Everything is ready. Practice makes perfect. My mother is a wonderful teacher. He speaks perfect English. Remember to call your mother. America and Vietnam should always work together. Sorry to bother you. You have a charming smile. Always say please and thank you. It's important to practice English every day. You should work harder. What's your favorite food? Don't be afraid of making mistakes. Is it your first time in Vietnam? I really enjoyed talking to you. I hope to see you again. Your outstanding is very important to have clear pronunciation. We should all care about the environment. I'm sure you will enjoy it. What's your name? My name is Jessica. What's your John? You speak English very well. Thank you. Do you know what time is it? Sure, it's 5:10. What did you say? I said it's 5:10. Thank you. You are welcome. Thank you so much for listening.